Hey everyone, welcome back to Savvy Tech Grandma, where we make technology simple, fun, and stress-free. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Facebook cover photo using your computer. Whether you're updating it for the holidays, promoting your business, or just want a fresh new look, I'll walk you through every step. We'll start with the most difficult step, which is getting it to the proper size. I have many times used Photoshop and still had to work it to get it to the proper size. Here's a really easy method to get the image to the correct size. First, open ChatGPT. If you haven't used it before, you might have to create an account. It has a very robust, well-functioning free tier. That's what I use. Click on Images in the left menu. Type Create a Facebook cover photo from this image. Click the paperclip icon on the left to upload the image of your choice. Notice that mine was nearly a square image, which would not work well for a Facebook cover image. It needs to be wide and not very tall. Click the arrow icon beside the text you entered. It works on it for a few minutes and there is your new image. Click on the up arrow on the right side. Then click the download button. Navigate to the best place to save your image and remember this location. Next, open your favorite web browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on Facebook, click your profile picture of your name near the top of the page. This takes you to your personal profile. Move your mouse over the current cover photo, and you'll see a button that says Edit Cover Photo. Click it. A menu appears with several choices. Select Upload Video. Browse to the folder where you saved your new cover photo. Click on the image you want to use, then click Open. Facebook lets you move the photo up and down and side to side a little bit. Drag it until it looks the way you want it to be. When everything looks perfect, click Save Changes. That's it. Your new Facebook cover photo is now live. The other menu choice, Choose Cover Photo, allows you to change the image to one you already have stored on your Facebook profile. You could then select one of those photos, which may or may not be in the proper size. Congratulations! You have saved your cover photo. One nice side effect of updating your cover photo is that Facebook then broadcasts that to all your Facebook friends so everyone gets to see the change. If you're creating a cover photo for your business, make sure it reflects your brand. Use clear images, easy to read text, and colors that match your logo. I hope this video helped you update your Facebook cover photo. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Savvy Tech Grandma, and click the notifications bell so that you don't miss any future tech tutorials. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. I love helping you become more confident with technology. Thanks for watching. I'm Savvy Tech Grandma, and I'll see you in the next video.